Hello YouTube. This is UFO I. I'm making a video on a UFOs that I saw, a day UFO a while back. I don't know, it's probably more than half a year ago. I didn't have time because I was driving down the road, heading south, and I didn't have time to get off and film it. This thing was moving pretty quick. It looked like a balloon that was floating away, but it really went fast. This is one of the pictures I took. I was thinking I might have got it. I think it cloaked because you can see this right here and this right here, and it was a spear. What I was seeing, it would look like a silver spear, and I mean, I did get it. I didn't think I got it, but now that I didn't even know, like, my phone can do contrast and all this other stuff, bright hue and everything, but I didn't know that I could do this here. But I can do this right in front of you. I really didn't see these at the time. So here's what comes out if you highlight it. I'm sorry. Then go like shadows. There you go. Press OK. So it was, like I said, it was a spear. Let me bring it in. I have a video posted, I think, on my I don't even know if it's on my, I have another channel. I already forgot how to get into it and everything. I know I have one that flew over my house, and it was interesting. It was in day, but it was like at dusk. Let's see what I can do here. If there's anything else I can do. Sure. Well, you can kind of see it better. In the green, you can see it better. Tint. No, well, green tint. I have a video from my nephew. I've seen countless UFOs. I've never really recorded too many of them. But you know, I've had a few times where I recorded it. And my growing up as a child, I also saw lots of them. But see, this is weird because I really thought I missed it, but you know, it turns out there was two. I didn't see the second one. It's very interesting. It looks like they cloaked, because I saw it 1 minute and it was gone the next. And also there was one that also I thought it was a helicopter over my house, and it also vanished. It looked like like I said, a helicopter. So that was weird. So I don't know. I'm gonna see what this does. It didn't do nothing. Except mess it up. Let me see if I can get rid of that. So let me close this. Anyways. I'm gonna have to not save this because I messed it up. Okay. Yeah, there was one that I went outside, and it was it looked like a helicopter, but it didn't make the exact sound. It hummed. It looked like a tadpole, that it was moving very slow off. I think it was mimicking a helicopter. This is recently. I mean, I posted one a long time ago about a helicraft, and it, you know, they took it off after a while on the National UFO reporting website. But this one that I saw, that it looked kind of like a what you call a Coast Guard helicopter, and then it just like it did something. I don't know. It was just gone. I got some where my nephew is with his friend. I'm gonna make a video on that right now. My battery is going out on this video. And I have another one where I thought it was a drone, but it looks like when I brought it up, it has the classical shape of a UFO. I was gonna make a video on other things like BZ, the chemical they used on in that movie Jacob's Ladder, how they could be using it on the populace right now. I always thought they were gonna do that, but not at the time, you know, when I was talking about it. And now you got chemtrails, but you know, I'll explain that, and I'll show the site that explains how it puts people into dream states for up to 2 days, 3 days when it's applied. This would work great on people that already have the screen sickness and the refresh rates that are going really high on the newer TVs, flicker rates, fluorescent light bulbs, just over and over redundancy on our optical senses to basically somehow scramble our brainwaves. And because of that, I believe they just add this to it. You know, they probably lessened the dose because it was a very high dose. It was very concentrated, I'm sorry. Very concentrated, so they had to figure out how they could lessen the dose. And over time, of course, we all know that they don't just put it into that warehouse like you see in the series X-Files. They don't just put it away and maybe bring it out later. No, they're tweaking it. They're tweaking it at the moment that they get their hands on it. These guys are, you know, trying to take over the world somehow, some way, to bring in another golden age where gods rule us, but gods that also kill us, you know, take us out, you know. And like I said, gods, you know, like all these human trafficking, all these babies, all these animals that are being slaughtered, minks that are killed live. I mean, you just go watch the videos and you can see that there is no true God. The God that they said was good is basically a God that is, you know, cold-blooded, and that he reverses it on us, and he tells us that the reality of it all is that we are not being told the truth. Here's another pic, but it doesn't look like there's nothing there. Oh, okay. Here's something. There it is. Cloaked again. I guess I missed that one because they're cloaked. What was it? There it is. I know I saw it, and I mean, I don't know how many other people looked. There was a lot of people on the road that I don't understand why they wouldn't have seen, you know, maybe some people saw it, but like I said, I have another video. I'm gonna have to cut it off because basically I'm running in the red. So there it is. Here it is. I could not see it for the life of me. These UFOs are like, I don't know why they uncloak and then they cloak. Do they run out of power, or their cloaking device is broken, or they have an agenda that they want us to see them and then they go away, or but there it is. I did not think I photographed anything, to be honest. So I'll be posting this and then see what happens. Let's see if you can see it really good. You can't really see it that good. I guess if I was to put the picture on, just put the picture on, publish just the picture. That way y'all can see it better. Anyways, I gotta go. Infonator out. Hopefully this video will go soon and you get to see it. Infonator out. Bye.